Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the area of a parallelogram. Let's find the area of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is the measure of the region enclosed by the parallelogram. That means that the area is all of the space inside of this parallelogram. All of the space shaded blue would be considered the area of this parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, multiply the base by the height. This is the base. The base of this parallelogram measures 8 feet, and the height is 6 feet. So we will use the formula area equals base times height. We know the base is 8 feet, and the height is 6 feet. We know that 8 times 6 equals 48. That means the area is 48 feet squared. We know that this formula works because we can take this space and transfer it over to this side, which means the space or area can be found by multiplying the length times the width, or the height times the base. 6 times 8 is 48 feet squared. Here we have a parallelogram. Let's find the area of this parallelogram by multiplying the base times the height. The base has a length of 4 centimeters, and the height has a length of 9 centimeters. So we can take the formula area equals base times height. That means area equals 4 times the height is 9. 4 times 9. The area equals 36 centimeters squared. We know this formula works because we could take this space and transfer it over on this side, which means we would take 9 times 4, which would be 36 centimeters squared. Let's find the area of this parallelogram. Let's multiply the base by the height. The base is 10 inches and the height is 8 inches. Remember, area equals base times height. That means area equals the base length, which is 10 inches, times the height, which is 8. The area equals 80 inches squared. And we know this works because we could take all of this space and transfer it over on this side, and that would make a rectangle. And we know the formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times width. Now it's your turn to find the area of this parallelogram. Remember, the formula is area equals base times height, because we could just take this area and transfer it over here, and we would take the width times the length, 15 times 8. If you got 120 square units, you are correct. Now let's find the area of this parallelogram. Let's take the formula area equals base times height. Remember, we could transfer this space over here and we would have a rectangle. So we would take 6 times 15. And we know 15 times 6 equals 90 square units. Lastly, let's find the area of this parallelogram. Remember, area equals base times height. The base is 32 and the height is 21. 32 times 21 is 672 square units.